trauma constitutes one of the important causes of visual loss and subsequent disability. Intraocular foreign bodies are further classified into toxic and inert. Toxic are further classified into metallic and non-metallic. Metallic toxic intraocular foreign bodies are classified into magnetic and non-magnetic. The most common intraocular foreign body is iron. Unless the entrance wound is large, they are always extracted from a new opening. There are two types of instruments used: intraocular magnet and forceps. Here we are demonstrating various case scenarios of intraocular foreign body at different sites and the management. Case 1. 23-year-old male with accidental entry of metal. Vision finger counting 2 meter. On examination, subconjunctival foreign body. Foreign body removal with forceps being done here. Case 2. 20-year-old female with accidental entry of glass piece. On examination, vision 660, intraocular foreign body in anterior vitreous. Forceps removal with pars plana vitrectomy via a limbal approach. Case 3. 35-year-old male, injury by wood. Intraocular foreign body in anterior vitreous. Vision finger counting 1 meter. Corneal laceration 2 by 3 millimeter. Laser done to prevent massive choroidal hemorrhage. Case 4. 27-year-old male, defense personnel with a bullet injury. On examination, vision PL negative. Intraocular foreign body removal being done with the help of a magnetic cutter. Case 5. 50-year-old male with alleged history of blast injury. On examination, vision PL positive. Central corneal laceration with lens matter incarceration. On CT scan, multiple intraocular foreign body seen. Treatment: temporary keratoprosthesis followed by keratoplasty. Some unusual cases. Case 1. 25-year-old male with sudden loss of vision following hammer chisel injury. On examination, vision finger counting 1 meter, foreign body seen on optic nerve head. Hereby demonstrating foreign body removal with MVR. Second case. 35-year-old male with accidental entry of ceramic clay. On examination, vision finger counting 2 meter, foreign body in lens matter. So, intraocular explantation with ceramic foreign body removal was done. Case 3. 28-year-old male with history of metal injury 5 years back. Visual loss experienced since 3 months. Hereby demonstrating encapsulated intraocular foreign body removal. Take home message. Earlier the removal of foreign body, lesser the progression to end ophthalmitis.